Hello, everyone. Welcome to a very special episode on my channel. We all know that today is Mother's Day, so wishing every mother a very happy Mother's Day. And we are nothing without our mothers. That's what I would like to say. Having said that, today's video is a dedication to daughters, a very special set of daughters. Yes. So if you think while hearing this, oh my God, this might be for me, please stay till the end. For most of us, Mother's Day starts with the ideology that a mother is someone who sacrifices her choices for her family, a mother who puts herself last. Well, all this is beautiful and I deeply respect it. But today, I'm talking about something little different. I'm going to ask two questions, and that will help you decide if this video will help you with something or not. Question number one: what if your mother is not like that? And question number two: what if she chose her family along with choosing herself? Yes, that kind of a experience teaches things very differently. So, let me start with telling about my mother. So, my mother is a very different kind of personality. She is someone who never imposed her dreams on us. She always gave us the freedom to make our own decisions. And only when we get the freedom to make our decisions is when we get the freedom to make our own mistakes. She never expected anything in return from us. When I say expected, as parents do have some expectations for their children, right? They should do good in studies, they should have a great career, and all those parents have that. But my mother was something very different. When I was in college, or even when I was choosing my stream for my studies, she never asked me actually, आपको क्या बनना है, आपको क्या पढ़ना है, who do you want to become in your life? And the interesting part is, she never even asked me कि एग्जाम्स आ रही है, पढ़ाई करो, पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो, ध्यान दो, all the concerns which the parents have. And of course, at that time, I used to enjoy that because, at least मेरी मम्मी पीछे नहीं है मेरे कि पढ़ाई करो, पढ़ाई करो. So, I think I'm the blessed one. That's another thing, that I was already a studious person, so she never had to tell me, but you know what I'm saying. And I used to feel strange, and I used to ask her, आपने तो मुझे पूछा ही नहीं मुझे क्या बनना है. And she used to like, हाँ, because you decide what you want to become. So that's how it was. And emotionally, she was very neutral. कभी भी हमने कुछ गड़बड़ की है, she has never been, that overreactive, you know, like हजार बार बोला था ये मत करो, तुम सुनते नहीं हो, you know, not like that. Her reaction has been very neutral and very simple. हाँ ठीक है, मैंने तो बोला था, अभी अब देखो क्या करना है. So whenever we used to do any mistake and whenever we used to come back, we used to know that okay, reaction ठीक ठाक ही होगा, so it's okay, we'll figure out something. So it was like that. But honestly, I did not understand my mother for a long period of my time. And I'm confessing this here live, that the biggest mistake I did in my life was I kept comparing my mother with other mothers. Whenever I used to go out, I used to see my friends' parents or maybe my siblings, cousins' parents, and they used to always praise their children or praise about their children. They used to be expressive towards them. They used to do extra little things. Like, for example, if your child is coming from school, college, back home, offering tea, coffee, snacks, all the parents do that. And I used to sit and think, why my mother is not like that? Why I don't get to experience all of these things? And I used to just feel irritated. And I was feeling irritated for so long that eventually I started thinking, I know or I don't get any appreciation that I deserve. That's how I started thinking. And I used to feel frustrated. While this was all happening, but there was something inside me which I was not feeling right. I was constantly feeling that, this is not how I want my relationship to be with my mother. I want it to be very natural, very fluid. And I used to pray to God that please help me work on this relationship. I need to work on this. I need to heal this. I need to change something. I don't know what, but I need to change something. So please show me the way. This is what I used to ask to the universe. And you won't believe the time I started asking this, things actually started changing for me. One day, I was randomly scrolling through Instagram and I saw a post, and it was from Ankur Wariku. And since I have read that post, on that particular day also it stayed with me the entire day, and I was only thinking about that. And till today, that thought is with me. And I think it's going to be with me forever. And that has changed my entire perspective, whole as a parent. And that post said something very beautiful. It said that our parents are humans first and then parents. I was thinking about this statement the whole day. I understood the English meaning of that sentence, but I definitely knew that there is more beyond this. There is a deeper meaning to this, I think, which I need to decode. And with that thought, I started living, and automatically things started shifting. I started remembering those decisions which my mother have taken for me since childhood, right? Maybe now because I cannot see she doing something for me, but since childhood she might have done so many things for me, right? And this incident comes to my mind, which I'm very happy to share. And I always wanted to share this incident. I'm just taking this occasion as a moment to share that.